Hello, in this video we are going to do partnership deed, and this is chapter number 2, forms of business organization. Partnership, we know, is an agreement between two or more persons, and this agreement can be written or it can be oral. It is generally preferred the agreement to be written because a written agreement serves as a proof about the terms and conditions. It can reduce the chances of conflict between the partners in future. So therefore it is advisable that a partnership must be a written one. Now partnership deed includes the name of the firm, it includes the nature of the business, the location of the business, the duration of the business, investment made by each partners, how the profits will be distributed and losses will be distributed, and what are the salaries and withdrawal of the partners, how much interest on capital and drawing is there, and what are the methods of solving disputes. All these are generally included in the partnership deed. So we can define partnership deed as a written agreement that signifies the terms and conditions of a partnership. Now we will discuss about the registration of partnership firm. Registration of partnership means entering the name of the firm in the register of the registrar of firms. Now registrar of firms, he has a register, and entering the name of the partnership firm in his register is called the registration of partnership firm. Now the question arises, what is the need for registration? Now registration provides a proof of the existence of a partnership. It provides the proof of the existence of the partnership firm, and a registered partnership firm gets certain benefits which an unregistered firm does not get. A registered partnership firm gets certain benefits which unregistered partnership firm does not get. Now what are these benefits? Number one is the partner of the unregistered firm cannot file a case against the firm or other partners. Number B, the firm cannot file a case against the third parties. And number C, the firm cannot file a case against the partners. So these are certain conditions which the partners of a registered firms are having. If the partner of the unregistered firm wants to file a case against the other partners or against the firm or against the third parties, he is unable to do. So it is advisable that the registration of the partners firm must be done. Otherwise the registration is not compulsory. But in order to take the benefits that is mentioned in point number A, B and C, so in order to take those benefits, the firm must be registered. Therefore it must be advisable. A registered firm can at the time of formation or at the time of the existence. Means when the question arises when we can register the firm, we can register the firm at the time of formation or any time during its existence. Now the question is what is the procedure? What is the procedure for the firm to get registered? What is the procedure for the firm to get registered? The procedure number one is a form has to be submitted, an application has to be submitted in a prescribed manner to the registrar of the firms, and that application must be signed by all the partners and should contain the following particulars. What are the particulars? Name of the firm. What is the name of the partnership firm? Number 2, it is the location of the firm. What is the address of the firm, where it is the firm, where the firm is located? Then the name of other places where the firm carries on business, if any. The date when each partner joined the firm, and the name and address of the partners, and the duration of partnership. First of all, these information in an application has to be provided. Then point number 2, a fees has to be deposited with the register of the firms. Whatever required fees is there, that has to be deposited. And then the register approves the partnership firm, and when the register approves the partnership firms, he makes an entry in his register, and when he makes an entry in his register, he issues a certificate, and this certificate is known as a certificate of registration. In this way, registration of the firm can be done.